Hello viewers, this is Bhaskar welcoming you back to Bhaskar's Insurance for You and Me series. So far, I have uploaded 10 videos on various topics related to general insurance. As I had mentioned in the first episode, the purpose of this series is to provide simplified information on individual general insurance topics which would benefit the consumer. I am avoiding complicated jargons and highly technical aspects. I am happy to share with you all that the total subscription to this channel have reached 140 plus and the total views for the 10 episodes is at 1400. A big thank you to each one of you for this support. I also request you to please share these videos with your contacts so that the insurance awareness in the society can increase and more people would be able to get the benefit of insurance. Following the last two episodes on individual personal accident insurance policy, I have received some queries from the viewers. In this episode, I am providing these frequently asked questions and the answers. The first question pertains to the geographical coverage, that is, whether an accident happening outside the Indian territory is covered in these policies or not. The coverage under insurance products have different geographical coverages. In case of property insurance, the insured event must happen in the location where the property is situated as per the policy issued. That means insurances like fire insurance, burglary insurance, etc. are location specific policies and provide cover only if the property is located and meets with insured event in the risk location specified in the policy document. The second category is where the claims within Indian territory only are covered. For example, the health insurance policies provide benefit only if the medical treatment is taken in a hospital situated within the country. Of late, few health products are available where the treatment in hospitals outside the country are also covered, but these are extensions to main policy and are available only in few products. The third category of insurance is where the cover is provided on worldwide basis. The personal accident policy which we are discussing now falls under this category. Once the personal accident policy in place, if the insured person meets with an accident anywhere in the world, the same gets covered. But this worldwide cover is applicable only for accident benefit covers like death and disability, and it is not applicable for sections like medical expenses reimbursement, hospital daily cash, etc., where the treatment coverage is limited to Indian geography only. The next question is, I heard that the personal accident cover is valid only during working hours. Is it true? My answer is no. The insurance cover provided under individual personal accident policies is on 24 hours basis. The cover is valid throughout the day and night, irrespective of whether you are in your office or at home. There are some group personal insurance policies where the corporates seek cover only for on-duty cover, and insurers modify the cover to apply only for office hours. This restriction is available in group products only, and very few insureds opt for such restrictions. The next question pertains to the exclusions. Are there any exclusions applicable under this product? The answer is yes. Like any other insurance product, personal accident policy is also having many exclusions. Few major exclusions, not an exhaustive list, is given below, like the intentional self-inflicted injury, suicide, the loss sustained in consequence of the insured being under the influence of alcohol or drugs, insured's actual or attempted commission of or participation in any illegal act or violation of law with criminal intent, loss sustained while participating in any speed contest, loss sustained while traveling in aircraft other than as a passenger are some of the major exclusions under this policy. Regarding the exclusion of violation of law, what I have mentioned earlier, please note that some of the products do not specify that the exclusion is applicable only for violations with criminal intent. Thereby, the scope of the exclusion is widened to exclude all acts of violation of law. The next question is what happens when there are multiple insurance products covering accidents at the time of accident? When there are multiple policies covering an accident, are claims admissible under all of them? As I have explained in the last episode, personal accident product is known as fixed benefit policy, and if there are multiple policies covering accident at the time of accident, the insured or insured's legal heir is eligible for claim under all these policies. These multiple policies need not be of a personal accident product only, and it need not be purchased by insured directly only. There could be a life insurance policy where the main coverage is against death, which includes accidental death. There could be a health insurance policy with additional section for personal accident policy, personal accident cover. These policies could have been taken by the insured person himself directly, or even it's purchased by any financier covering the life of the insured person. The claim is due from all these products. The next question is, if the insured is covered by a group product taken by the financier, who is entitled for the claim? Where the policy is taken through a financier, the financier can prefer and take the claim from the insurer. However, if the claim amount due is higher than the loan outstanding amount, it is the responsibility of the financier to pass on the excess amount of insurance claim to the legal heir of the insured person after receipt from the insurer. So, which in other words means that the financier is entitled for a claim portion equal to the outstanding loan amount only. The next related question is, are credit card issuers also providing insurance cover to their customers? Yes. It is observed that some of the credit card and debit card providers purchase personal accident insurance cover and provide to the cardholders. The sum insured provided varies depending on the type of card and the card issuer and whether the accident is air travel accident or otherwise. However, these covers come with certain conditions which one should be very careful in noting, like validity of insurance cover only if the card was transacted within a certain number of days before the accident. Also, the purchase of air ticket must have been done using the card only. Like this, there are some other conditions. So these insurances are provided through group products and hence they do not come with separate policy document to each of the cardholders. As a result, we do see cases where the legal heir is unaware of existence of insurance and fails to claim and suffer financial hardships. Though such instances of card issuers providing insurance is coming down, considering that most of the persons these days are having one or other card with them, in the unfortunate event of an accident involving the cardholder, it is always suggested that the legal heir should check with the card issuer and ascertain full details of insurance availability and take advantage of the same. The next question is on the need for a separate personal accident policy when the person is already covered under life insurance policy. The life insurance policy does include cover for death caused by accident. However, the sum insured covered under life insurance product is limited due to the higher premium rates when compared to the premium rates under standalone personal accident product. Also, the scope of cover related to accident provided under life policy is limited when compared to the large number of covers available under PA product. We have seen the wide range of covers available under PA product in our last two episodes. Hence, it is always advisable to go for a personal accident policy as an additional policy, even when there is already a life insurance policy in place. The next issue is, what are the different products available in the market? Is there any standard product? In our earlier episodes, I have explained most of the covers available under the product as there are many insurers offering personal accident cover and also each insurer is having multiple products with each one targeted at a particular client segment, it is difficult to give details of all individual products available here. One should go through the different covers we have discussed, make a list of main and optional covers which you would like to be covered, and select a product which provides all the required options. There is one standard personal accident product which is mandated by the insurance regulator in India to be sold by all insurers, known as Saral Suraksha Bima, wherein all the insurers provide the product with exactly same covers and terms of covers. This product provides accidental death cover, permanent total disablement cover, permanent partial disablement cover as basic covers, and temporary total disablement, hospitalization expenses, and education grant as optional covers. The premium rates under this standard product is permitted to be varied by different insurers, but the terms are uniform across the industry. If you wish to have a wider cover than this, you can explore other products, else the standard product can be purchased. In the last episode, it was mentioned that the sum insured for temporary total disablement or weekly benefit is available up to 25 times the monthly income. Is there any further sublimit for this cover? Yes, there is sublimit. Traditionally, the benefit under this cover, that is the temporary total disablement or what we call as weekly benefit cover, was being restricted to a maximum benefit of rupees 5,000 per week, and the sum insured was being agreed accordingly by many insurers. However, many insurers now offer higher limits of rupees 10,000 or even up to rupees 20,000 per week. So the ceiling, or rather the sub limit under this benefit, has now become a product specific feature. The last question is, which are the important questions in the proposal form where proposer needs to be more careful while filling the proposal? All the questions in any insurance proposal form is important. Any wrong declaration or non-declaration or misdescription can lead to avoidance of the policy by the insurer. In a personal accident proposal form, the information about insured's occupation, income details, details of physical disability if any being suffered, and other insurance details are more critical information since this information is evaluated to decide on the acceptance or rejection of the proposal and the reasonableness of proposed sum insured. So the current episode, along with the last two episodes, gives you a comprehensive view of the individual personal accident policy. I do hope that this gives you confidence about the product coverage and comfort to go ahead and purchase the product. Thank you for watching. I'll be back in the next episode with another interesting insurance product. Until then, bye from Bhaskar.